Just enter the trade, go into the restroom, be right back. All right, we're up 1,300, 1,500 now. All right, so I don't know where my take profit is. I think it's at 3,000. What is that, 28 to 27? So it's at about 2,500. The question is, can we make it to 2,500? Because we're going to lock in some profit here in a second. We don't want it just to fall back down. So we're going to lock in the 1,500. Because it's coming down. It's coming down. It's coming down aggressively, too. That's annoying. Well, it's coming down very aggressively. But we got it off the floor, so that's good. I need to take that 1,500 this time and reposition because I feel like this may break through in the next half hour or so. So if we're going to break through to the downside, I don't want to be holding the bag. I'll take the $2,500. So we'll take the 1,500 to start. I had to step out of the room for a second, run to the restroom. So, of course, I missed the entire play. And then as I get back in here, I see that I'm up 15, and then it's immediately losing momentum. But it's a very simple trade. Took our trade. You guys can see where we got in right here off of the floor of this wick here and balancing out that candle. So we're looking for 1,500 to start our day on this particular trade. Come on, baby. We want the whole 25, obviously, but 1,500 is the starting point. Come on. Stay up. Can we get to the yams, sweet candy yams? Oh, hold. We needed to hold up for a couple of seconds. It's weak. It's weak. Dang. Should have just quick manual closed that 1,500 when I saw it wavering around the 1325 to 1,500. Man, we got nothing out of that. Give me my 1,500 back. 100 bands, 7:10 in the morning. Again, we're gonna let this roll back up there. We'll go ahead and put our notifications in for the $1,500 area right here. And Noti. That's why I use the 3 screens, because I can close out manually over here. I can set up my modification for the halfway point over there, and I can watch the larger time frame. So this is the 5 minute here, this is the 15-minute here, and then this one can be the 1 minute. We need to get to 3075, so let's set our alert to 3075. And we'll come back in a minute and check. get to the M, sweet yes, cause I got bills to pay. Come on, baby, let's go. We going back up. Hey, we taking our 1500 this time. We ain't playing with you. I ain't playing with you. I ain't playing with you. Alrighty. So it has been one. There it is. Getting back up to where we need to be. Oh, this one should be the 15 minute. This one should be the 1 minute. Almost there. There's 1500. We're going to give it a second. Put that right there at 50. So that'll be 1800. We want to take as much as we can in this trade. Boom. Lock in right there at 1750. Can we get to 2000? Hey, we are more than happy with that. That bad boy came all the way back for us. 18 and some change. Okay. 18 and some change. Lock in at 18.
Stop fill.
We'll take it. Hey, listen, we was looking for 15. We got 1750. We'll take it. Out of here. What's going on, guys? So let's go back to the trade real quick, right? We took it off the floor, $27.75. We were going for $2,500. All we were risking was $2 because we were like, if it goes much lower than that, then this market is just in a downturn, and we're not trying to be a part of that, trying to take an upside trade, right? Never even got there. Saw negative like 125, I think, maybe negative 250. I wasn't in the room or whatever. But the key is, right? You know, I took profit early, and you're asking yourself, like, are you mad about, you're asking me, am I mad about taking profit? No, I'm happy. I can't argue with you. At the end of the day, shout out to Plies, by the way, I see green and I take green and I stay green. If I go on a maybe, a possibility, you guys saw 18 and some change, right? If I'm trying to get $700 more, if I'm being greedy and like, I gotta get it, and the market turns against me. Let's say, for instance, we would have turned into one of these candles right here where we were like flushing out, and we would have broke that level and then kept running and running and running. Not only am I stuck in that play with the loss, it's going to violate my stop loss, and it's going to go way past the amount that I'm willing to lose. But as you can see, came up to my blue line. We're literally playing blue line to blue line right now. Came down to my blue line, got in, came up to my blue line, went back down, came down to my blue line, and it's doing it over and over and over again. And that is why I love leaving these ranges up, because they give you a crucial point of when you can get into a trade. We had an opportunity to take the trade right there, went above the blue line, came back down, touched it again, wick through the blue line, went back in, several times to get in right here before it finally went back up. And these are $4 trades right here. These are $4 or $5 trades. This is the type of consolidation I will gladly accept versus what you normally see with consolidation, where it's just a couple of bucks. You're talking about 28 all the way up to almost 26, so almost $8. But the overall range that I'm trading in is 28 to 34, so a $6 range, and out of which I'm only trying to get $4 to $5 every time. But we came right to it, went right back down. So this market is consolidating, and it's consolidating towards the downside. If we have another downturn where we go back to the 1 hour time frame, 200 EMA, that'll be like way down here at 21. Let me set a reminder down there, as a matter of fact, because I kind of like that play. Bring you over here, stretch you out a little bit, bam, put you on that line. If that happens, if we come down to this 1 hour, ooh, either we break through or we're going all the way up. But 8:30 will be like a major time to watch for that. As you can see, we're just holding this area right here. I got no problem trading this type of consolidation. What I won't trade is a $2-3 consolidation, because then you just end up in the middle, and then finally when it breaks out, you're kind of at a loss. But a $6 to $8 consolidation, let's go.